I'm Vince with Fitting and Adventure. If you've been here before, welcome back. So through my military service, I have some hearing loss, plus I have tinnitus. So anything we can do to reduce the noise here in the RV makes a big difference for me. And WackO Products RV Silencer did just that. WackO sent us a trial kit for the Coleman Mach 3s. Everything you need comes in the kit. As you can see, there is a drastic reduction in noise from before and after the silencer is installed. These foam pieces are going to direct the air out through your vents. After you've installed them, put the foil tape, that's also included in the kit, over one end of these foam pieces so they don't block the vent. With the cover removed, install the pre-cut foam pieces inside your air conditioning. You can take this shroud down to make it easier, but we also have the RV Airlock air purification system installed, so it's just easier for me to simply reach up and around it. As for the cover, I found it easier to dry fit the individual pieces and expose the adhesive one side at a time. Then install the final piece before reinstalling the cover. RV AC silencer from WackO Products has drastically reduced the noise coming from our ACs while they're running. We've had them for a couple of months now and we're very impressed with the results. If you click on the link below, you'll receive any current discounts offered by the manufacturer.